Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of transforming your small backyard into a beautiful, functional space, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some amazing covered patio ideas that will inspire you to create your own little oasis right at home. Let's get started. Whether you have a tiny nook or a more spacious area, a covered patio can elevate your outdoor experience. Here are our top ideas to maximize your space and style. First up, we have the cozy corner patio. This design is perfect for those intimate gatherings or a quiet evening with a book. Using compact furniture and warm lighting can create a welcoming atmosphere. Consider adding a small table for your coffee or a few plants for a touch of greenery. Next, let's talk about multifunctional patios. If you love hosting, why not combine your dining and relaxation spaces? Use a foldable dining table that can be tucked away when not in use, and layer in some comfortable cushions for lounging. This way you can enjoy meals outside and then kick back with friends, all under one stylish roof. Check out this stylish pergola. Not only does it provide shade, but it also adds an architectural element to your backyard. Decorate it with climbing plants or hanging lights for a dreamy vibe. You can even add sheer curtains for extra privacy and elegance. For those who prefer a clean aesthetic, consider a minimalist patio design. Simple, sleek furniture and a fire pit can create a serene space for relaxation. Keep your color palette neutral and let the natural beauty of your surroundings shine through. Lastly, if you're looking to make a statement, go for a colorful and playful patio. Mix and match bright cushions, fun outdoor rugs, and quirky decor. This approach can bring a lively atmosphere to your small space, making it the perfect spot for entertaining or just soaking up the sun. There you have it, 5 fantastic covered patio ideas to make the most out of your small backyard. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring home and garden content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.